Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday. It is actually Tuesday. And I just wanted to come on and open up the vlog. Don't know what I have going on this morning. Right now I'm in my office working. I'm about to get dressed and get ready for the day. My bestie is in town, and you guys are going to get a chance to meet her on this vlog. We have been best friends since we have been 16 years old, you guys. So, baby, we talking joined at the hip. She is the joy of my life and the thorn in my side. She is. She's just my sister from another mister. So yeah, you guys will get a chance to meet her. She's in town until Thursday, so only for a couple of days. I don't know what we'll get into today. We may partake in some Taco Tuesday. I am not sure, but with her, we're gonna be doing something. I am looking forward to well, by the time you guys see this video, I would have been and showed you guys the bathroom already. And I'm definitely looking forward to doing that. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to get a little bit of work done and check back in with you guys a little bit later. I was wondering what was taking you so long. Yeah, look who in here. Yep, you're going to be on camera.
Baby, you about to film us eat these dates?
Yeah.
For our life?
Yes, for our life.
What you have to do to stay youthful?
And who are you? You have never been introduced to the vlog at all.
Okay, vloggers.
I told y'all she was here. Let her introduce her own self. I introduced her already.
Original. BFF, baby.
She is.
Let me see. Oh my God, we're almost 40 years into this thing.
I mean,
God, we've
them
30
facts
plus.
right there. Facts.
So,
yes.
I
a long time.
am working from home because I have a fabulous new job. I gave up education, and so I was like, I'm coming to your house, BFF, and I'm coming to sit right in your office, and I'm going to work while you working. This is what we do, because when you're 50, you can work from home.
That's what you can do, baby. And what is your name?
Oh, the Diva. D-I-V-A.
That's her name. Diva is her name, okay. Also known as Keisha. Yes. Just so y'all know.
If you must know the government side of that, yes.
We just gonna keep it at Keisha, okay? And she got me eating these dang on dates.
Okay. So.
Keisha, I don't know about this right here. And we can go downstairs. You're gonna be comfortable on that bench.
I am. I'm good. I'm good.
This is what we're eating, and this was her idea.
Well, no, let's tell the whole story. So we were going in the grocery store.
Okay.
And I saw these things and I was like, oh my God. I literally just read an article, and I'm going to prove it.
Okay, focus.
That said, where is it? There it goes. I was like, I just read this article, and in there, they were talking about dates. There it is.
And it was there on her phone.
And it said that dates, 3 dates in a day, makes your hair follicles strengthen, prevent hair loss, and promote fast hair growth due to its iron content. It will fulfill your iron deficiency too.
I'm here for
women,
it.
And definitely women of color.
And women 50 and up, baby.
Okay, that iron deficiency is real. That hair loss is real. All of it is real.
Yes.
So this is our proof. And I was like, it just must have been in the gods for us to do this.
Yes,
so,
it was.
Who else do you experience this with except for your BFF? Like,
who else? Nobody.
So I was like, okay. Then she had the nerve
to
pull this thing out, talking about something.
Look at it. And she thought the same thing. What did I say? And y'all be honest. What y'all thinking? Let's look at them. Just look at them for 1 second. And tell me the first thing that comes to y'all mind. The first thing. And I said it. And Keisha was thinking it too. What did we say? What?
They look like roaches.
They do. Especially, y'all. The cockroaches in the South look like this. And them jokers palmetto bugs.
No,
flying cockroaches, whatever you call them. This is exactly what they look like.
Yes.
And we got to eat 3, and we only ate 1.
But it said like throughout the day. So maybe we can have.
What we gonna do? Eat 2 now and 1 later? Cause you're talking about you want pancakes tonight. So we just gonna eat all 3?
Yeah. You ready for number 2?
No.
Let me flip it.
No, I'm not ready.
Are you ready?
I am.
Oh my God! I bet it. Oh God. Okay.
Oh God. No. You gotta make sure we both on that, baby. No. This ain't it.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
This ain't it. Girl. Keisha. Oh.
So okay. So tell me what you like. Describe it. Cause it's not like it's a strong taste.
I thought it was gonna taste like a raisin. Okay.
Okay. So that might be why I'm okay. So right.
But
no
it's
to the
not
raisin.
Firm.
It's
On
not
the outside,
sweet.
like it's not overly sweet. I don't know what it tastes like.
It's got the
mushy. It has a mushy consistency in the middle.
That
And
just-
I'm so big
just-
into texture.
and it just mushes around in your mouth.
That's all it does.
Like if you just held on the mashed potatoes too long or something.
And it's flavorless, honey. These don't have
Yeah.
nothing on no mashed potatoes.
Okay,
No,
okay.
it's like a.
Okay. It's something.
I don't know. I can't describe it. And some of you have already eaten dates, so you guys know. But Keisha and I are new to this whole date thing, and we don't like it.
Don't like it. It ain't it. It's like
it. 10 out of 10. Do not recommend.
so some people.
Happy hump day, you guys. I just wanted to check in and say hello to you, let you know that Keisha and I are still hanging out. We did us a whole charcuterie board, and it is 2:33 in the afternoon. I'm going to share with you guys what we did. We have wine, honey. We have a whole party situation going on, and I am going to show you guys. It is just one of the perks of working remotely. So let's go. Let's go. Show you guys exactly what we did. What we dig in. Okay, so this is what we got going on. We have our spirits. These are the most important. We have a red blend, and then I also had a sangria. I love this. If you like sangria, this is a really good one. Keisha made some delicious avocado toast, and true story, it's my first time trying avocado toast because it just hasn't been my thing. But y'all, this is our charcuterie board. We got the fruits, we got all the fruits, and then we also have a TikTok made us do it, and we are going to try it and see if we like it. I'm sure we will, and then I'm going to share with you guys what the recipe is. Okay, so stay tuned on whether or not we like that. Made us do it. Okay, so let's see how we gonna feel about this situation. Okay, so
Right now we have.
make sure. Hold on.
Pita, right?
Okay, hold on. What we got? Okay, hold on. What we got? What we got? We're gonna try it together. Yep. Okay, hold on. We gotta make sure we got some good light so the people can see what we're doing.
Watch yourself.
Okay, how we? Yeah, we're doing okay with that. Okay, so what we got?
So it looks like we have a pita.
Yes.
Okay, first TikTok made her do it, but of course she's doing it, I'm doing it, right? Okay.
Period.
So it's got a pita. What's the
It has pita, it has cream cheese
what
spread.
kind? No, it was a brand, wasn't it? Like a
Girl,
chive
I'm gonna show y'all everything.
Okay.
I'll show y'all.
So it's a chive something.
Yes.
Salami. So you gotta eat pork.
Yes, or you can, I mean, if you want
No,
to do
ma'am.
turkey,
No,
but it
ma'am.
don't taste the same.
TikTok didn't make you do it then.
TikTok did not make me
Okay.
put turkey on here. They said salami.
Okay.
And the best part is it's topped with, show 'em, girl. It is topped, do y'all see it though? I mean, camera, don't fail us now. There you go, y'all. It is a red pepper and bacon jelly spread, y'all. And we put it on this little pita and make a little sandwich.
I'm ready. Let's go.
And we're going to taste it right now because she impatient.
Honey.
She did not lie.
At all. Cheers to you, whoever bought this for. Yes, ma'am. A nice little combination.
It's
I hit
sweet.
your palate just right.
It's savory.
Yeah, got a little heat. Cheers.
This is a winner chicken dinner, y'all.
Okay, so now she's gonna go over here so she can try avocado toast for the first time. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all ready? I made it. I did it's white bread with a little butter on the bread. And then we had everything bacon, you know, that goes with everything. A little salt, some avocados.
Here it is.
And hold on, let's zoom it in.
And I've always wanted to try it.
Okay.
But I've been a little, well,
Get
let me see.
into it. Get into it, honey. I added the tomatoes on top because I just thought we needed to make it some colors. It's like a spread, right? It's creamy, like. Yeah.
I like it.
Boom! It is a winner. Our lunch today is a whole winner.
It's a whole vibe, baby.
And some wine,
It's
baby.
a whole vibe.
Whole vibe. Ma'am.
In the middle of the day, just so y'all know, it's 2:43 in the afternoon. But mind your business.
Mind your business.
The business that pays you, 'cause baby.
Did you not say it like
We got that pay you because
baby.
we have us a whole party on
whole
Wednesday.
party.
It's not called wine,
Wednesday.
period. It is not called wine down Wednesday for nothing.
I love
We
it.
down in all the wine.
All of it. All right,
Delicious. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I did to make the TikTok charcuterie bite. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a charcuterie bite. Okay, Lord, I'm gonna turn this down just for a minute while I give them these steps, okay? Then I'll turn it back up because it's a little too loud. I just want to tell them right quick what they need. Okay, so this is what y'all need to make the bite, okay? So y'all need a pita cracker. I got the Townhouse no salt pita cracker. You can get it with salt, you can get it however you like it. Just get you some pita crackers, okay? You also need a cream cheese spread. Now I got the one in sour cream and chive, right? Chive and onion. I'm sorry, chive and onion. Plain, whatever you want, girl. It's up to you. You need some genuine salami. I just got the Private Selection brand. I think I got this. Yeah, I got this from Kroger. If you have a Kroger, I got everything from Kroger. But it's available in all our grocery stores, okay? And then last but certainly not least, I got this hot pepper bacon jam. Sis, this is it right here. You absolutely cannot do anything without this. And this is what it looks like right here. Again, it came from Kroger. Okay, so this is what you do. Baby, it's easy breezy from here. Okay, so this is simply what I did. We about to do this together, sis. Here is your cracker, okay? Here's your cracker. You take the spread, okay? Get you a little spread, however much you want. If you like a lot, you put a lot on there. You only need a little bit, if I'm being honest, okay? You only need a little bit. A little go a long way. Spread it on the pita cracker. Like so, like that. Okay, just put it on there, okay? Next, you want to take some salami. Take you some salami and slap that bad boy on. Take you one, fold it. I just fold it twice, okay? In half and then again in a quarter. Put it right on there, okay? Put it right on there. Y'all know I repeat myself. It is a habit that I promise you I'm trying to break. But I want to make sure y'all understand. I'm having a a hot moment, so I had to turn my fan on if y'all hear something. And then you take the jelly. Take the jelly, and baby, you just plop the jelly on top like that. Just pop it on there. That's it. I want y'all. This is what we're doing right here. That is it. That is all. And then you plop this bad boy in your mouth. The crunch from the cracker. The sweet and spice from the jelly. This is the one right here. And the smoothness of the cream cheese spread. This is it right here. This is the one.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so I forgot to show y'all my food because I was so hungry that I just started eating it. I forgot to show y'all the food. And it was good, and I am sitting here almost stuffed. So I'm about to show y'all what's left of the food. Because again, I was starving. Alright, so here's what I have left, you guys. I'm full. I'm so full. I have a little bit of a roll left, and that's how much of my pasta I have left. Okay, so it was very good. I added sun-dried tomatoes to mine and to Williams because we like tomatoes and the girls don't. And if you're a sun-dried tomato fan lover, you know. If you know, you know. It just adds a whole new dimension of flavor. Now, I make this in a different version as well. I do a stuffed shells version with salmon and shrimp. And William said so far that's still his favorite. He did like this one, but he said the stuffed salmon and shrimp pasta is his favorite. So yeah, so you can make it any way. It was super easy, and I am a big fan of making my own Alfredo sauce and just doing it my way. So yeah, super delicious. Yeah, I am going to chillax for now. You know, it's just been a family day with it being Easter, so we are gonna relax for the rest of the evening. If anything camera worthy happens, I will definitely turn you guys on again. And if not, enjoy the rest of your Easter or whenever you're watching this video.